going to be making falafel. Okay guys, before we get started, I have a quick challenge for you. You have 5 seconds to go like and subscribe to our channel.
You better subscribe.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Okay, I hope you subscribe. So let's get right back into the video. Our falafels are going to be baked, but you can deep fry them if you like. So let's get started. So now we're going to be adding 1 cut up onion into our food processor. And we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic. And let's clip this on. Start Now we are going to add 1 cup of chickpeas that have been soaking for 24 hours, all right, into our food processor. Click it right back on. Now we're gonna open this, and now we're gonna add a bunch of coriander and a bunch of parsley.
I just dumped in the coriander. Parsley! Oh. Okay, yes.
And we're gonna clip it right back on. And so now we are going to be adding the rest of our stuff in. We are going to be adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of raw tahini. Okay, and we're just gonna mix. This is what your falafel mix should look like. So now we are basically just gonna be taking our falafel and we're gonna be putting it into these cake pop trays to form them, but you don't have to, you can just form it into a ball on your own. So you just take some, put it in, and just keep going from there.
Yeah, but don't put too much in there.
So we had some leftovers, so we just made some free-formed falafels. So now we're just gonna basically be adding all this into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Our falafels are ready, and now it's time for the taste test. Wow, these are actually so good. These are amazing. They're absolutely delicious.
I love these. They're very good. And they're probably the best falafels I've ever tasted.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Peace.